In 1972, Amtrak ordered the first of 26 new electrics from General Electric, as intended replacements for the inherited GG1 fleet. The new locomotives were designed for high-speed passenger services at 120 miles per hour. Two varieties were delivered between 1974 and 1975. 7 E60 CPs, which featured a steam generator to provide heat for older passenger coaches, and 19 E60 CHs that used head-end power for modern coaches, such as Amtrak's Bud-built Amfleet coaches. Problems with the class's ability to track at high speeds, including derailments at over 90 miles per hour, limited them to just 85, forcing Amtrak to look overseas for practical high-speed electrics. This search would lead to the creation of the AEM-7s in 1978. In the 1980s, Amtrak sold many of its E60s to freight railroads in the US and Mexico, with some remaining on the roster until 2003. As of writing, several are left in preservation, including number 603 at the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania.